everyone, good morning, happy Saturday. I'm back and do my vlogging. Sorry I didn't do vlog for the past few weeks or few days because I'm busy at work. And here's my partner. Hello Josephine, what you doing?
I'm cleaning
What you doing?
the
She's
snake plant.
She's cleaning the grass,
Yeah.
the surroundings of her plants. And look at her plants, guys. Look at the money tree. It's flowery now. Look how beautiful it is. Napakaganda po, di po ba? And look at the snake plant. It's growing faster again. The succulent. And this is the succulent. Look at the succulent, guys. Wow, growing faster too. And the money tree again. The money tree again. Even though the money tree is in the small pot, but still uh, blooming with flowers. Yan, ang ganda-ganda po, di po ba? And the fortune plant grow faster as well. And there's another succulent there. See? Oh, the frangipani lose the leaves. I don't know why. Maybe because of too cold. They don't like the leaves doesn't want in a cold season. And here's the another money tree and the succulent. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. And this one, it's just a plant there, and another one there. And this is the house of the room of Robin. Yeah, look at the mango tree. Mango tree doesn't have fruits yet, and still our orange, no one gets it. Still have fruits, but it's for us. It's hard to get the orange now because it's too high for us. Even though we use the ladder, still too high for us. And that's the mandarin. Or maybe I get a mandarin later after we go to the doctor. Yeah, that's a mandarin tree. And there's another tree. This tree, it's 100 years tree, guys. Look at this. This tree, 100 years tree. I don't know. They no need to take this out here because it protects the the land with the flood. Kaya hindi po yan tinatanggal dito. Tingnan nyo po, napaka tanda na nitong puno na ito. It's 100 years. I think more than 100 years tree. Tingnan nyo nga po yung pinaka-root niya, pinaka-stem. Very, very strong. And this is the kumquat. Kumquat didn't bear fruits now. It has there. Maybe I get it later, the kumquat. The one with the yellow fruit. Kasi maganda raw po siyang vitamin vitamin C during winter season. Yan, may mga bunga pa po siya. Yan. And this is the calamansi. Calamansi still have fruit, guys. Look at this. Little. Maliliit lang siya na bunga. Tingnan niyo po. May mga bunga pa rin ang aming mga calamansi. As you can see, this is the bunga, the fruit of calamansi. Fruit of calamansi. Again, you will be amazed in our banana tree. Even though it looks like a mess one, even though it looks like Muntina, looks like looks a messy one. Look at that, guys. It bear fruit now. Look at the fruit of the banana. That's a fruit, the fruit of banana. Look at that, guys. Yeah, that's the fruit of banana, guys. Look. It seems it will fall down, but the thing is still strong. Look, one fruit, one bunch of banana fruit, And another one there, up there. There, we had two bunch of banana fruits, guys. You can see it's really looks beautiful. It looks yum. Maybe in 2 weeks time, we will harvest this now. Or the sister or the brother-in-law of Josephine will harvest this now. Okay, look at the banana tree, guys. It looks mess, but it bears fruit. Okay, there's another one. There's another one, guys. There is 3 bunch of banana fruit in our trees. Look at that, guys. See? Our banana tree bears more fruit. Look at that in winter time. And especially in summertime. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Wow. And another calamansi. Another calamansi, guys. Ayan po ang calamansi. Another one. Look at that. Napakaganda po. And the lemon. Look at the lemon. They harvest all the fruits of the lemon. Look at the lemon, guys. That's a lemon. 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 And lemon again. Too many fruits of lemon now. But still green. Have to be yellow. Yeah. Hey. That's the lemon tree. Our lemon tree. Look. It looks beautiful. Looks lovely, guys. There's a yellow one. Maybe they ready to harvest now. And there's a shallot. Look, they're planting shallot now. Chinese. It's a Chinese kangkong. We had the lemongrass there, and we had a pumpkin. Still no fruits at all. Yeah, look at that. And that's all, guys. And this is my meow meow. Keep eating my big meow meow. Hello, meow. Look at my meow meow, guys. Yeah, that's my meow meow. Okay. Hello, meow. You keep eating. Oh. He's fun eating, guys. That's his breakfast now. Okay, guys. Have to end up this video with my meow meow eating at your phone. My meow meow is a tuxedo cat. He's a tuxedo cat, a big cat. Big tuxedo cat. And this is our relaxing area. And look at Josephine, what she's doing. Okay. You wanna end up my video, babe? Say something, please.
Always remember, life is beautiful.